Hey guys, Sean Demir here from Awesome Wicked Games and creator of the AppBiz catalog. And I had a few people, as I explained in the email, email me looking for some more info on Action Alcatraz and Maze Thief. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm having issues with my Reflector app. It's like connecting and it's only staying connected for a little bit, and then it's disconnecting, and it's anyways, just wasn't happy with the quality that the video that was coming through. So I'm just going to go through a couple images here for you. So alright, so here's the beginning. You're going to see that it's just the basic stuff. You got your more games button, your play button, your settings, shop, your help screen on the bottom, and then your game center. So when you click your settings, this is what you're going to see down here. You can switch it to right-handed as to which side your buttons are going to be on. Restore in-app purchase and your sound stuff there, right? So here's your help screen. So it gives you a really good idea, gives the users a good explanation, and actually it's animated. So like this laser actually blinks a little bit and then shoots across to show the user that that's how they're warned, right? You got a really nice store. So you got some default prisoners, some zombies, of my tiny ninjas, of the hungry panda. Let me just see here, and then a couple of guys from Maze Thief, and then some Christmas guys. And you'll see when we get into the pause screens, one of the cool things that my developer did was when you have a certain package selected, like for this here one, it's not set up yet because Maze Thief isn't live, but I'll be able to link to that. And then you'll see there's a little ad down the bottom. But right now, when you have the panda selected, Hungry Panda is there. Just cool, you'll see it when it come up there. So then we have the power up, so that when the rocks are coming down, you get the helmet. You have the lasers, like the shields, I guess, to protect you from the lasers, and then you have your harness, that because some of the pegs let go after a certain amount of time, so that is one of your things to save you. Obviously then there's the other, which is remove ads, and then you have your coins, which have a whole bunch of coin packs there, right? So really nice in-app purchase. One of the things here too, if you're wondering what these images are, is that this lets you know that you went through, you got all of the stars without using a power-up. So it's encourages the user to try to use them, but at the same time they will get extremely frustrated and have to use them, believe me. So here's the prison escape, the basic screen. Then there's the Amazon Canyon. It's kind of like the Rambo 2 theme, and then just another thing where they can go on and do a like through Game Center or leave a review on the App Store. So here is, you'll see that it's based on like the climbers type code, but we obviously took that idea and expanded on it significantly. So you can see here that as you go through the different levels, there's obstacles that you have to get past. This little thing here lets you know when there's a rock going to fall, and you'll see it there. You see the level 6 complete. I got 6 out of 7 stars. Keeps the time and gives you a score. Opportunity to be able to share it as well. And then you'll see here, because I had my tiny ninjas selected, down the bottom is the tiny ninja ad. So just another scene where you see with the helmets on. I fell, right? So it's game over. So now I'm saying I'm gonna just go full out, have all my stuff on, and you see there, because I have the shield and the lasers coming across, I'm not getting killed. And then here is the Amazon layer, one of the Amazon levels. You can see that the lasers start getting a lot trickier. They're going on angles, and just a lot of fun. So here's the Christmas guys. Here's the Hungry Panda. Zombies, and you see with the zombies now it's linking to Zombie Hunter. Let me just see here, and now with the pandas selected, it's linking to Hungry Panda. So it's really nice code. It's built out really well. It's has the my custom systems manager integrated in there, and you can control all kinds of stuff, the amount of the coin packs, and all kinds of settings are available there through that. So now let's go over to Mace Thief. So now this is a really nice code. Spent a lot of time developing this. You'll see that there's a whole bunch of options here. You have your sound, your achievements, there's some more games, there's help your thief where you can go in and you know, get stuff for your thief by doing some actions, restore purchases. You have your remove ads, and then your sharing buttons. You come in right now. Museum is the only level, or I should say not the only level, but the only world that is available. And they come in here, and then there's the level select, and then these bonus levels are unlocked only as they reach certain milestones here in the regular levels. Let me just see. So then here is the pop-up that comes up before you start each level, which is I modeled after Candy Crush. So you'll see here you have the different. You can get your smoke bombs, your invisibility pills. This is your glass cutter. So that you need that to access some of the treasures. So yeah, here's a space guy. So what he can do is he can teleport. So in certain levels you need keys to get in and out of certain sections. With this guy you don't need it. He can teleport. Then you have the zombie. He's slow, but the guards actually run away from you and if you catch them you eat their brains. And this is your basic thief, so I mean he's obviously, if he's seen the guards come after him, and he moves at a regular speed. And then you have the ninja, which he can move farther and faster. So when you have a certain range where you can press on the map to be able to move, and with the ninja that expands. So alright, so you got in. The thing is you have to collect all of the diamonds. So you start out here and you can see that there's the guards, and I just picked up a treasure and it's showing it down there. So this interface over here has changed a little bit. I think you'll see an updated one in a second here. So I'll rip through the images here. So yeah, the invisibility pills, you can avoid being seen by the guards. And I'm just going to kind of go through the images quickly here so you can get an idea. As the levels get more difficult as you advance through, the number of diamonds that you need increases, and then you'll run into lasers where you have to get into one section and press a button to unlock the lasers for another section. And then there's different types of guards as well. You know, so it's like mission complete to let you know when you're done and you should try to get out. Here is some of the coin and treasure items. Just kind of keep going through here, and then just him grabbing the gem. Alright, so the other really good thing about this code too is that you have a complete tutorial. So there's text over here on the side that's controlled by the plist file, your properties list file on your server, and you'll see that this is stuff that I had some you know, one or two of my programmers just fill in. So some of the grammar is messed up from these older images. And alright, so we go in. So you got in, you're moving around. It just lets you know that you just click around to move. Museum guards patrolling around. You can tap on the guard and it lets you know the path that they patrol. You can steal more treasures when you get the glass cutter. Observe carefully because the guards are always patrolling. So the way it's set up is that they only see you if they're looking in your direction. So it lets you be able to hide in corners and stuff, and just makes it for the strategy a little bit more fun. So you can get invisibility pills. So if you do get spotted, you can click that, and then the guards kind of go, and they're wondering where the heck you went, right? So like I said, there's doors that are locked and you need keys, so you can just click on the key to open the door when you're standing in front of it, and then you have to unlock the glass cutter that's an in-app purchase. I mean, whatever it is for your reskin, just make it something that needs to be collected, that if it's a special thing you have to undo a lock or whatever it is, it's the same idea. So it says here, you've been spotted. So one of the things is that you have to get out of the red zone when you've been spotted, and it's going to help for the guards to kind of stop looking for you. So yeah, so the lasers, different lasers have different times for how long they're turned off. So you have to get into different sections, right, to be able to, you might have to turn the green laser off to get into the blue laser. So yeah, you'll see over here, this question mark will take the person into the help screen menu, and then there's little help. I don't know if you're sure if you'll see it here in the other ones, but those little question marks that are on the floor, the first time that your character walks into them, it brings up the help menu relative to where you are. Just a duplicate there, so you see there's another version of one of the guards, and he moves a lot faster. So you'll see here that this is me getting ready to teleport, and when I click the teleport button, this whole area that is yellow is giving me the area where I could teleport, and I wanted to get into this area without using a key, so I teleported over here, and then I'm in this area and I can go and get my treasure. Pause screen. You know, you can control your basic stuff. So some more stuff that was modeled off of Candy Crush. And at the end of the level, your treasure gets cashed in, and then you get ready to boost up and to add your stuff. And you can go back into customize as well. And when you come into customize here, it's cool because you get a little preview of the animation of how they look when they walk. So here you get the zombie where he comes out and he's like, rah, 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 you know, eating stuff. And the maze thief is where he's just sneaking around. The ninja, you can see that he moves significantly faster. And then you get a little animation of the space dude teleporting, right? So that is the codes. And just to bring this up quickly as well, as far as it goes for the graphics pack, this was an image that I had done up a little while ago, and it doesn't have in here about the graphics pack, but that's, or sorry, the custom systems manager, but there's 30 plus Project Mayhem ready interfaces in there. You can see, you know, there's like superhero, I think this one's redneck, and you got the forest, and then the farm, 8-bit racing, and then like a jet plane battle one, and all kinds of different characters and obstacles and enemies, and the graphic all-in-one graphics pro pack is just an awesome graphics pack to help you get started or expand your business. So alright, there's a quick breakdown. The rest of the links are on are in the email. I'm going to come back over here just very quick so you'll see. So I put them back at the top here, so you have the Dropbox links to the images, and then all iTunes links to the codes here. And I meant to put them in there before, and I forgot. I apologize. So really incredible deals on these code guys. $1.99 to get BMX Racing and Where's My Zombies. Just use the discount code MyBundle2, and then My Zombies and BMX Racing with 2 of the Bundle 2 codes, which includes Action Alcatraz but doesn't include Maze Thief. If you want to get access to both of those, you'd have to go with the $5.99, which is the Bundle 3, and that is BMX Racing, Where's My Zombies, plus 5 codes, and the all-in-one graphic pack and my complete systems manager. So alright guys, just take advantage of this now. It's the Build Your Own Bundle, the BYOB. I'll be getting some graphics on them for that tomorrow. But there you go. And if you have any other questions, just let me know, and take advantage of these. These are some crazy deals on some really high quality source codes. So get them now. Later.